Hey, I got another very affordable home security camera by Teckin. Let's go check this guy out. In this video, I'm going to review very affordable home security camera by Teckin. It has all the standard features including night visions, audio recording, and motion detection. And you can pick this up from Amazon for only $20. First, let's do unboxing. Camera is very small size and extremely light, so let's go check this guy out. Setting up the camera is very easy. First, plug in the power, then go to the App Store and search for Teckin App and download it. Once it's done, go and open the app. When you first open the app, you need to register with your name and password. Then click on Camera section and then click the plus sign to add the new camera. When you see a red light blinking, go and click on the red button. Here you put your home Wi-Fi information. Make sure your home Wi-Fi is 2.4 GHz. When you see the barcode, put the phone in front of the camera until you hear a beep. Then click next. And it's all set. Go and type in the name of the camera and your camera is ready to go. If you need to update your firmware, go ahead and update your firmware. Lastly, put in your SD card. You'll take maximum 128 gigabytes of SD card. If you don't have SD card, it still works. You just do a live stream only. The app is very easy to use. Go ahead and click on your camera and you will see the interface. The talking button is for two-way communication. Recording is for screen capturing the video that you see on your screen and save it on your phone. The mute button is for muting the video. And photography is screen capturing photo of the screen you see and saving on your phone. The photo section is to look at all the videos and photos you capture in your phone. If you have SD card installed, you'll see this little disk drive icon on the corner, and next to it you'll see the dates where the recording is recorded. And you can click on the dates to see a previous recording on that date. Here I click on 11/23 and then you see a list of all the recordings that's recorded in that date, and you could click each one of them to look at it. And you can also watch the video in horizontal mode. If you tap on the screen, you can also see the previous recording menu on the bottom of the screen. Also, you have option to add more than one camera to this app. The setup and configuration page is pretty standard. You have option to turn the audio recording on and off, rotate the image, and then you could turn the night vision on and off. You have also option to turn off the LED indicator and then different motion detection option and audio detection option. On the bottom is the SD card option where you could format your SD card and you have option to do a loop recording where you keep recording over the old video. Now next step is to find a place to put this camera on your home. It is indoor camera, so you gotta find somewhere indoor. Easiest way to do this is just put it on the top of the shelf or desk. But it does come with a little sticky, so you could put it on the bottom of the camera and then you could stick it upside down or on the side if you like, because the camera is extremely light. But you need to be aware that you have to find a place where you have access to a power plug, because power plug is not that long. So you might have to get an extension cord to power this camera. And this camera has a joint where you could go move the camera around like this. But it doesn't have a place to put screws in there if you want to put screws. You also have option to put the camera next to the window to capture what's happening outside your house. But if you want to do that, be sure to turn off the LED indicator lights and turn off the night vision light, or you're not going to see anything at nighttime because of the other LED and infrared reflection on your screen. Also, if you plug your SD card to your PC, you could actually save your videos you capture on your camera to your computer. You see, there's a folder for each day. If you look inside the folder, there's MP4 files you could save to your PC. So make sure if you do loop recording, your video will be erased in a few days. So make sure you grab this video if you need to save them quickly. So if you're looking for a secure camera for your home, this is a great option. It's a camera for under $20 and has all the key features you need. and you can have more than one camera installed, and it's all manageable with one app. So go and check this out. I put all the information in the description below, so go and check this out.